Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX here and welcome to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy text from any website. There will be no problem. If it helps, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, first of all, let me show you a website. This is the website. Here you can't copy any text. They block just right click on your mouse or Ctrl button on your keyboard. So we are gonna use a tool to unblock it. Let's see how we can do it. First of all, open your web browser and go to a new tab and search here allow copy plus and search the extension from Chrome Web Store. I'm opening it and then click on this add to Chrome button. Choose again add extension and this extension is going to be added to your extension list. Just click on this extension icon and pin it. It will be visible right now like this icon. Now refresh the website, click again on this extension, it will be turned into green and try to copy. That's it. Using this method, we can copy any text from any website. I think this video will help you a lot. If it helps, please subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.